On the menu today, I'm going to show you how to turn pretty much anything into a mosaic. So we're going to start with salmon, and to do this you're going to take the skin off and get rid of that, and then just thinly slice it into a few strips. And we'll do a chicken one as well. Next up, just grab yourself a few nori sheets, and you're just going to wrap each of those strips in the nori. Trim off the excess, and rinse and repeat. Now grab yourself another nori sheet, and you're just going to wrap all the strips you made in that nori sheet. Wet the edge to seal, roll that up, and now we're going to get a big sheet of cling film and roll it tightly in that too. Pinch both ends, making sure you don't trap any air in there. Pierce it a few times all the way around to let any excess air out, and then begin twisting like this. Tie both ends in a knot close to the salmon, and trim off any excess cling film. And that's one ready to cook. Now we're going to do exactly the same thing with the chicken. And then I've just chucked these in a steamer until they reach an internal temperature of 75 degrees centigrade. Here's the salmon mosaic, and the chicken one. And now let's move on to my favourite one. So start by top and tailing your leeks, but keep the tops because you'll need them. Make sure you wash these first as well. Next up, slice some ginger. No need to peel this, just throw it in. And some garlic, crushed, and you can leave the skin on too. Some bouillon powder. And lastly, some freshly cut thyme. Fill this just to the top of the leeks with boiling water. Top with a cartouche. And poach gently for 20 minutes, or until your leeks are nice and soft. Remove your leeks onto some paper towel to drain, strain out that liquid and keep it for later. Now we're going to roll all the leeks in nori just like we did before with the salmon and the chicken, and put to one side till we're ready to cook. Now for the sauce, we're just going to put some oil in a pan, slice half an onion, throw that in, crush and slice some garlic, throw that in, roughly chop up your leek tops from earlier and throw them in. And we'll just cook all this down on a low heat without any colour for about 5 minutes. Now add in your Madeira, some of your reserve stock from cooking the leeks earlier, and just leave that to cook for about 20 minutes. Now pass that through a sieve, making sure you squeeze out every last drop of that liquid, and put it back into a clean pan with about 125 millilitres of double cream. Now just keep that hot until we're ready to serve. In the meantime, I'm just going to steam my leek mosaic for about 15 minutes, and then slice that into portions, and we're ready to plate. See you next week.